Hello guys, your topic వచ్చేసి identify the various components of a computer system. What is CPU? CPU means Central Processing Unit. CPU considered as the brain of the computer. CPU performs all types of data processing operation. It stores data, intermediate result and instruction. It controls the operation of all parts of the computer. CPU itself has following three components: memory or storage unit, second one control unit, third one ALU, arithmetic logic unit. What is memory or storage unit? It is also known as internal storage unit or the main memory or the primary storage or random access memory. It stores all the data and the instruction required for processing. It stores intermediate results of processing. All inputs and outputs are transmitted through main memory. What is control unit? This unit controls the operation of all parts of the computer but does not carry out any actual data processing operation. Function of these units are: it is responsible for controlling the transfer of data and instruction among the other units of a computer. It is manages and coordinates all the units of the computer. It obtains the instruction from the memory, interprets them and directs the operation of the computer. It is communicates with input and output devices for transfer of data or result from storage. It does not process or store data. What is ALU? ALU means arithmetic logic unit. This unit consists of two subsections, namely first one arithmetic section, second one logic section. What is arithmetic section? Function of arithmetic section is to perform arithmetic operation like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. All complex operations are done by making respective use of the above operation. Second one, logic section. What is logic section? Function of logic section is to perform logic operations such as comparing, selecting, machine and merging of data. What is computer input devices? There are following some of the important input devices which are used in a computer. First one, keyboard, mouse, joystick, light pen, trackball, scanner, graphic table, and microphone, magnetic ink card reader, optical character reader, barcode reader, optical mark reader. What is keyboard? Keyboard is the most common and very popular input device which helps to input data to the computer. Keyboard are two sizes. 84 keys are 101 or 102 keys. But now keyboards with 104 keys or 108 keys are also available for Windows and Internet. The keys of the keyboard are as follows. First one, typing keys, numeric keypad, function keys, control keys, special purpose keys. First one, typing keys. These keys include the letter keys A to Z and digital keys 9, which generally gives the same layout as that of typewriters. Second one, numeric keypad. It is used to enter the numeric data or cursor movement. Generally, it consists of a set of 17 keys that are laid out in the same configuration used by most adding machines and calculator. Second one, function keys. The 12 function keys are present on the keyboard, which are arranged in a row at the top of the keyboard. Each function key has a unique meaning and it is used for some specific purpose. Third one, control keys. These keys provide cursor and screen control. It includes for directional arrows keys. Control keys also include home, end, insert, delete, page up, page down, control, alternate, escape. And next one, special purpose keys. Keyboard also contains some special purpose keys such as enter, shift, caps lock, numlock, spacebar, tab and print screen. Next one, mouse. Mouse is the most popular pointing device. It is a very famous cursor control device having a small palm size box with a round ball. It is base which senses the movement of the mouse and sends corresponding signals to the CPU. When the mouse button are pressed, generally it has two buttons called the left and right button and a wheel present between the buttons. A mouse can be used to control the position of the cursor on the screen, but it cannot be used to enter text into the computer. Advantages. Mouse advantages. It is easy to use, not very expensive. Moves the cursor faster than the arrow keys of the keyboard. Next topic, joystick. Joystick is also a pointing device which is used to move the cursor position on a monitor screen. It is a stick having a spiral ball. It is both lower and upper ends. The lower spiral balls moves in a socket. The joystick can be moved in all four directions. The function of the joystick is similar to that of mouse. It is mainly used in computer, either designing and playing computer games. What is light pen? Light pen is a pointing device similar to a pen. It is used to select a displayed menu item or draw pictures on the monitor screen. It consists of a photo cell and an optical system placed in a small tube. When the tip of a light pen is moved over the monitor screen and the pen button is pressed, it is photocell sensing elements detects the screen location and sends the corresponding signal to the CPU. Next one, trackball. Trackball is an input device that is mostly used in notebook or laptop computers instead of a mouse. This is a ball which is half inserted, and by moving fingers on the ball, the pointer can be moved. Since the whole device is not moved, a trackball requires less space than a mouse. A trackball comes in a various shapes like a ball, a button or a square.